welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking flight into the world of drones, machines that combine cutting-edge engineering, breathtaking camera technology, and the freedom to capture the world from above. Whether you're a filmmaker chasing cinematic shots, a traveler wanting to document adventures, or a hobbyist exploring aerial photography, drones have become essential tools for creativity. And in this countdown, we're exploring the top 5 drones that deliver the best mix of performance, innovation, and value. From compact flyers to professional aerial platforms, these drones prove that the sky is no longer the limit, it's the beginning. Let's get started! Number 5, Holystone HS720E. The Holystone HS720E is one of the most accessible drones for beginners and enthusiasts who want premium features without premium pricing. Equipped with a 4K EIS, electronic image stabilization camera, it captures crisp, stable footage that looks far more professional than its price tag suggests. The camera's 90-degree adjustable lens allows pilots to frame shots creatively, whether soaring above landscapes or focusing on close-up details. Flight performance is solid with a 46-minute total flight time when using both included batteries. GPS positioning ensures stability, while intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Point of Interest, and Waypoint Navigation make cinematic shots easy to achieve. The HS720E also features auto return to home, reducing the risk of losing your drone during long flights. Durability is another highlight. The foldable design makes it portable, while brushless motors provide quieter operation and longer lifespan. Despite being marketed as a consumer drone, it feels robust enough for real outdoor adventures. For beginners, the HS720E is a gateway into aerial creativity. It's affordable, reliable, and packed with features that make flying fun and rewarding. It proves that you don't need to spend thousands to enjoy the thrill of drone photography. Number 4, Autel Evo Nano Plus. The Autel Evo Nano Plus is a compact drone that punches well above its weight. Weighing just 249 grams, it avoids many regulatory restrictions, yet it delivers professional-grade imaging. Its standout feature is the 1.28-inch CMOS sensor with an f1.9 aperture, capable of capturing 50 multi-inch photos and 4K HDR video. Low light performance is excellent, with vivid colors and sharp detail even at dusk. Flight performance includes 28 minutes of flight time and a reliable transmission system with up to 10 kilometers range. Despite its small size, the Nano Plus features obstacle avoidance sensors, giving pilots confidence when flying in complex environments. Autel's Skylink transmission ensures smooth video feeds, while intelligent flight modes like Dynamic Track 2.1 allow the drone to follow subjects with precision. Design is sleek and portable, available in multiple colors that add personality. It's small enough to slip into a backpack, making it ideal for travelers and vloggers. For those who want portability without sacrificing image quality, the Evo Nano Plus is a revelation. It's proof that small drones can deliver big results, making it one of the best compact drones available today. Number 3, DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a game changer in the sub-250G category. With a 1.3-inch sensor, it captures 4K 60 video and 48 megapixel stills, delivering professional-level quality in a drone that fits in your pocket. Its standout feature is the true vertical shooting mode, perfect for social media creators who want content optimized for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Flight performance is impressive, with up to 34 minutes of flight time and DJI's OcuSync 3 transmission providing 12-kilometer range. Tri-directional obstacle sensing adds safety, making it one of the most advanced drones in its weight class. Intelligent modes like Focus Track, Master Shots, and Hyperlapse make cinematic storytelling effortless. Whether you're tracking a moving subject or creating dynamic time lapses, the Mini 3 Pro automates complex maneuvers with precision. Design is sleek and foldable with a lightweight build that makes it perfect for travel. Despite its size, it feels premium with features that rival larger drones. For creators, travelers, and hobbyists, the Mini 3 Pro is the ultimate blend of portability and performance. It's a drone that proves small can be mighty, offering freedom and creativity without compromise. Number 2, DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 is a versatile mid-range drone that bridges the gap between portability and professional performance. Its defining feature is the dual camera system, a wide-angle lens and a 3x medium telephoto lens. This combination allows creators to switch perspectives seamlessly, capturing both sweeping landscapes and intimate close-ups without changing drones. Video quality is exceptional with 4K 100 HDR recording and support for 10-bit D-Log M color profile, giving professionals greater flexibility in post-production. Still photography benefits from high resolution and dynamic range, making it suitable for both casual and commercial projects. Flight performance is strong, with up to 46 minutes of flight time, one of the longest in DJI's lineup. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing ensures safety, while OcuSync 4 transmission provides stable connectivity over long distances. Intelligent modes like waypoint flight, focus track, and quick shots make complex maneuvers simple. Vertical shooting modes optimize content for social media, while advanced tracking ensures subjects remain perfectly framed. For those who want a drone that adapts to multiple shooting scenarios, from cinematic landscapes to dynamic action, the DJI Air 3 is a perfect choice. It's a creative tool that empowers storytellers to capture the world from every angle. Number 1, DJI Mavic 3 Classic. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic, a drone that represents the pinnacle of aerial imaging. Its defining feature is the 4.3-inch Hasselblad sensor, delivering 20 MP ICE stills and 5.1K video at 50 FPS. The Hasselblad Natural Color Solution ensures accurate, lifelike colors straight out of the camera, while 12-bit RAW support provides maximum flexibility for professional workflows. Flight performance is equally impressive, with up to 46 minutes of flight time and omnidirectional obstacle sensing. The OcuSync 3 Plus transmission system delivers stable connectivity over 15 kilometers, ensuring reliable control and live feeds. Intelligent features include advanced RTH, return to home, focus track, and waypoint flight, making complex missions simple. Combined with its robust build and premium design, the Mavic 3 Classic feels like a true flagship. For professionals, this drone is a game changer. It's trusted by filmmakers, surveyors, and content creators worldwide for its unmatched imaging capabilities. The Mavic 3 Classic isn't just a drone, it's a complete aerial production system, offering flexibility, reliability, and cinematic excellence. If you want the very best in drone technology today, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic is the clear choice. It's the ultimate tool for capturing the world from above, setting the standard for what aerial creativity can achieve.